What up, guys? It's Immaculate Shade here, and right now, currently, editing a video. Actually, hold up. Currently editing video. This is gonna be 1v1 number 4. So I've just been accepting 1v1s and recording them and seeing how I do and perform. And I kind of want to start a little thing where I could just whenever I'm offered a 1v1, I'm just gonna record it and then just post it. If you guys want me to, win or lose, it does not matter. But right now, it's gonna be my 4th one, and let me know how you guys think about what you think about it. They're just gonna be short or as long as they take. And yeah, that's about it. But also, it is the morning of Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys had a very, very good and wonderful Thanksgiving, and thankful for whatever you guys were thankful for, and spend time with the family, because you never know. I hate to break it to you like this, but one day they're not going to be there, and you gotta just really get with it and literally just spend as much time as you can with every single person in your family as long as you can. I can't stress that anymore. One day you're not gonna be able to get the chance. If you guys are beefing, drop it. It's not even worth it. I mean, it's really not. It's not like they tried to murder you or anything. I mean, if they did, I'm sorry. But anyway, besides the point. I'm gonna continue playing with one of my homies on some PS3 because they asked me to jump on PS3. I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm gonna continue that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and leave a like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Twitter, or if you don't want to follow me, tweet at me or anything. Ask questions, let me know what to do, and I'm pretty sure I'm getting my desktop. If you guys want to know what desktop I'm gonna get, or what kind of build, I will put a link in the description, or I'll just do a video about it, and I will do another video on my setup when it is complete. So, yeah, it's shady, guys.
One's between me, so I'm good. It's just that Nate's been my best friend since day one, and me and his girlfriend are close, so whenever she needs something, she'll